Today I am show how to start a successful YouTube channel and grow it in record time, so stay tuned, like and subscribe. Let's go to video step number 1. Make a pro channel page. A good channel page isn't gonna push anyone to subscribe. If your channel page is not good, you will not able to get more subscriber. How to make a decent channel page? Follow my step. First, write a through about tab description. When someone is fenced to subscribing to your channel, what do? They click on your about tab to learn more about you. So always write detailed page description to know people about you. What about of your channel is when you upload videos and something else that makes someone smash the subscribe button. Next, you wanna upload nice looking channel art. Channel art is first thing that someone sees when they visit your page, so it's need to look great. Next is channel icon. Did you know that your channel icon show up more places in YouTube than anything else? It's true. Your channel icon appears on watch pages, search result, community tab. Your channel icon is the first thing anyone sees from your channel before they visit your page. For example, when you leave a comment on a video, your channel icon first appear. So make sure your channel look clear and nice. And step number 2, find 3 keywords. It is not secret that SEO is huge. You can have the best ever video made, but if no one on YouTube find it not get any views. Popular keyword will make your video viral really fast. Keyword that lots of people are using on the YouTube. So how do you find them? It actually pretty easy. Use YouTube autocomplete. You might notice that when you search something on YouTube, it suggests keywords for you. This feature is called autocomplete. The great thing about autocomplete is that it only suggests popular keyword. In other words, YouTube telling you that a lot of people search for this on YouTube. For example, you wanted to make a video about the keto diet. Will you type keto? It will suggest many keywords for you. This keyword are perfect for your YouTube video. If you don't know how to gain views, so click on left video. It will help you to gain views.